Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2012 Ford Transit XLT utility cargo van. Now the exterior color is a frozen white metallic, and under the hood we have a 2-liter inline-4 engine paired to a 4-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as an engine block heater connection, and over at the side we have our 15-inch wheels, wrapped interlocking tires, as well as we have our black mirror caps and door handles. We also have our 2 rear sliding doors. At the rear we have our Transit Connect, as well as advanced track and Ford badging, as well as we have a reverse camera and our dual swing open doors. At our interior we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power adjustable mirrors and heated mirrors. Over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our signal light, as well as our cruise control settings. And as we look up we have our auto dimming rearview mirror, as well as we have our overhead door storage. And as we look at our interior we have our beautiful gray cloth seating, which comes with a manual adjustable seat for both driver and passenger. And as you look ahead, you'll notice we have 56,636 kilometers on our beautiful Transit van. And over at our display we have our CD insert, as well as we have AM and FM, as well as an aux line in and phone connectivity for Bluetooth calling. And underneath we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating throughout our entire cabin, as well as we have our 12-volt adapter and our console shift lever, as well as we have our electrical parking brake with our power windows dual cup holders. And as we slide open our door, as we get into the rear of our cargo utility van, we have loads of cargo storage, which allow for any job to be done with ease. We also have our shelves in the rear for both sides. If there are any more questions about this absolutely gorgeous Transit Connect, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.